In this video, we're going to learn how to add decimals. Now, whenever we add decimals, we have to make sure that the decimal point lines up vertically for our two numbers. Now with that, we always start by adding from right to left. So we add starting over here, so we have 4 plus 9, which is going to be 13. Now we don't put the 3 in a 1 right here. What we end up having to do is we're going to carry that 1 and we put it at the top and we'll add it from here. So now that we've added on the right column, we're going to add the middle column here. So we have 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. Then we have 4 plus 8, which is equal to 12. Now we do the same thing. So instead of putting 12, we put the 2 here, and we carry the 1 on top to the next column. Now we add the last column, so we have 1 plus 5, which is going to be 6. 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Now that decimal point, since it still follows this vertical line, we continue putting that decimal point right here. So our answer is 8.23. Moving on to the next example, so we have this written out horizontally. And you'll notice that we have a 2-digit decimal for that first number, and we have a single-digit decimal for that second number. So what we need to do is we're going to set this up vertically. And remember, we said that if we have a decimal point, we have to line up those decimal points vertically in the same line. So we're going to see that we have 6.4, which means we'll have 6.4. Now we'll add these together, and you notice we don't have a 0 right here. Well, we can always add anything that's missing. So we can add a 0 here. We can also add a 0 here. And again, we always add from right to left. So we're going to add 2 plus 0, which will be 2. Then we're going to go to the next column. We have 0 plus 4, which will be 4. Then we add the next column, and we have 0 plus 6, which will be 6. And we'll add the last column, which is 1 plus 0, which will be 1. We keep that decimal in the same vertical line, so we'll have the decimal point right here. So our answer is 16.42.